Hi everyone, I hope that this video finds you well. My name is Davin Hoyt. I delineate things, and recently I completed a set of solar dehydrator plans for a solar dehydrator that I'm calling the Missoula1 model. I call it that because there's some folks that are creating these professionally in the Missoula, Montana area. I believe that if you're a DIYer, you need not look any further. I believe you've found exactly where you need to be in order to obtain plans for a solar dehydrator. The reason why I am doing this video is to highlight a few things to make sure that your DIY project is a complete success. So let's get started. Let me bring you over to my computer where I've got the Missoula1 model ready to go. Now, edit number 1 for the Missoula1 model. My computer's being silly. It's been brought to my attention that on the western side here, snow could build up. And so possibly some block work that sheds the moisture, or maybe a piece of hardy board, because it's not going to interact with the rest of the solar dehydrator. So hardy board may be a consideration for boxing off, for sheathing this exterior portion so that moisture or snow does not get in this area. I recommend not leaving your solar dehydrator out during the winter. I recommend bringing it indoors. This here is going to be interacting with the exit flow. So if you use hardy board here, I would assume you would use hardy board here. In case you haven't seen this solar dehydrator, the air enters here below this surface, and it's heated inside of this triangular formation that's like two of these units depth, right? And it enters the top and it sinks, and or it's pushed down, and it exits the false wall in the back. And then this is just a roof. So what we're talking about, this would be the sun facing this thing, south facing it. That's its south elevation. And then this would be the west. And here on the western wall, I didn't put any sheathing up in this model or in the plans. And so if you allow moisture to build up here, that could be a problem. And so maybe this needs to be protected. Okay. Thank you very much. Well, I hope that you found this video informative, and I hope that you're excited to take on this DIY project. Please consider liking this video to put it in front of more people. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel because I've got more creators asking me to do more plans. Please find the link below to purchase your solar dehydrator plans today. Thank you very much. Bye now.